All of the screens in the MySparks modules have utilized a consistent color coding scheme so that the user will be able to identify which blocks they will actually need to interact with. The only blocks that the user will actually have to enter any information in will appear with a white background and black type. Probably the best example of the color coding would be that on the Sponsor Programs Master Data screen, which we're looking at now. You'll notice that a number of the fields are white, and those are the fields that will allow the user to go in and enter information or use those fields as a drop-down list. Information that will be calculated or looked up based on the information that is pulled in from the drop-down list will appear with the peach-colored background. Calculation fields will not be modifiable. What you'll see here in the project information, the peach-colored fields under the awarded period of performance are not modifiable because those fields are looked up based on whether the project is marked as awarded or in the pending status. If the project was pending, the figures that would be pulled in here would be the proposed period of performance. Since the project is awarded, however, it is pulling in the awarded period of performance and fiscal year. You'll notice that when I try to go in and make a change, I get the error code that this action cannot be performed because the field is not modifiable. I could go into the white fields and make any change that was necessary. I could go in and select a different PI from the drop-down list, and when I do select this person, you'll notice that a new department information and as well as college administrative vice chancellor and contact information has been pulled over for us from the staff or the university administration. The fields at the top, peach colored background, are again not modifiable because these are calculated fields based on the information that was put into the program period of performance. You'll notice in the University Administration section that a number of the fields that have been populated automatically for us are faded into the background rather than having a distinct background color for that particular field. These fields are not mandatory to any of the reporting processes. However, it's really good information to have readily available. So we have gone ahead and pulled that information in. Had this information not been available in our University Administration module, the user could go in and click on those areas and update that information. These are strictly lookup fields rather than calculation fields, so it does allow for the change. You'll notice under the linked documents, these fields are red. However, these are calculation fields as well. We identify those red blocks for the linked documents because they are to alert the user to the potential risk of having documents linked incorrectly.